Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. This morning we're tired.
This morning we're tired. Night night.
We thought we would get up early because today is the first day the shops can open.
So we thought we'd go to our local town of Blackpool and see what the measures are like.
Yeah, and we need to go get a few things anyway, so we thought we might as well bring you with us so you can see what it's like in Blackpool. And there's a lot of us out there that like Blackpool, so we just thought we'd bring you with us. And yeah, this is actually the first time we've been to the town centre since the lockdown started, so...
I imagine there's quite a lot changed because the hotels are being built.
Yeah, because we've tried to stay out of the town centre, even though you've seen obviously been at the beach and that, but we're a little bit further up than the town centre, so we've just been going to the shops and our little bit of the area and then walking to the beach and then walking straight back, so yeah.
Yeah, be interesting to see what's going on.
But what day is it today?
June the 15th. Yeah, so
we just thought we'd bring you with us and
we'll see what
we'll show
happens.
you and we'll wherever we end up, so.
Yeah. So, let's go.
Yeah. So, now we are walking to town. We're only about 10 minutes away.
Lovely day today.
It's a really nice day because the thing what we thought was if it was horrible weather we wouldn't go.
Cancel
For another day. are walking around, as you just seen, in a little bit, a tiny bit of
shopping.
With a face mask. You saw us wearing them around some of the shops. There's a few shops shut down. A couple of phone shops and stuff like that. But there's hardly anything actually open.
No. Pounds Hill had a one-way system. Primark has a one-way system.
The Primark, there was a little tiny line, so we thought we would go in there first, but now I would say it's probably about tripled in size.
We waited about, what, 15 minutes to get in Primark?
But it's a lot bigger now. I would say the biggest queue right now, as you just seen in the little clip probably, was Sports Direct. That was all the way down by KFC.
And it didn't seem to be moving, that's what I'd say, looking at it.
So yeah, but no, we got in the Primark, so we thought we would have a quick... We just need to get some shorts, because we didn't have much summer stuff in this nice weather, so we went in. But what I would say is there was hardly any sales. There wasn't any sales really.
No. What shop had quite a few little sale bits?
Foot Asylum.
Foot Asylum had a massive sale, I'd say, the biggest sale out of all the shops.
Yeah.
Primark was like the odd bit here and there.
But not much, just the normal, I would say just normal, what they normally have, like mismatched stuff, like the pyjamas.
A lot of winter, a lot of winter, beginning of the year type of stuff wasn't there laid about, but it wasn't reduced, which was quite a surprise, considering we were not going to be buying it.
Yeah, like a lot of like, not like normal hoodies, but like fuzzy hoodies.
Yeah.
There's a lot of them.
January clothes, that's what there's a lot of. It's all pretty good really. It didn't feel like it was a stress.
No.
I think the system's definitely working. You know, I wouldn't say that they're a negative.
No, it's just some people just how they normally are sometimes. Not social distancing, right? But we just came because we knew we needed to get a few bits. We've been to a couple other shops to get the few things we need for the house and that our shops didn't have, so we've got them now. And literally we've only been out about an hour. About an hour, so...
Staff seem to be happy as well, don't they?
Yeah, they seem to be really nice and stuff. I think probably because they've been off for so long. And it's the first day, so...
We'll see how they go over the next few weeks.
And as you can see, we're standing at the... Tower. So
so that's it, guys. So if you're thinking of coming shopping, expect to queue a little at least. But it's not as bad as what people make out, I would say.
And no one really asked for face masks, but we had, like I say, we had ours on anyway.
And you sanitise every time you go into every store, so...
So I think our plan now is just to walk a little bit down the beach. I think that's our next plan, so join us! Remember, we've got our Instagram channels, it's gottagoemmaandshane and gottagoemma. Check them out, we post all the time. And remember, if you're enjoying this vlog, give it a like and maybe even subscribe. Thank you. So guys, that's us all finished our shopping trip.
So we're slowly making our way up the prom now.
We're going home.
And then that's it really, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been a good day.
It's quite busy down by the tower. Surprisingly busy. But,
so we've just been at the beach side, it's quite quiet over here, so I was just in here, but no, it was good. hopefully it showed you a little bit of what it's like.
Yeah.
Like I said, not many shops were open, so and we knew exactly where we had to go in. So
surprising how many shops have gone as well though.
yeah, like we said, there was a few that were going and didn't even realise that we were going. Quite big shops like is it Parphone Warehouse?
Yeah.
Yeah, Parphone Warehouse.
I didn't even know they was going.
So
I knew the Virgin shop was going, so they've gone. So yeah.
sad.
Tough times. So yeah, so we've had a good day today. Seeing how it's going to be for the next 2 or 3 weeks at least, the social distancing and things, I think.
Like I said, I think Sports Direct had the biggest line, and then it was Primark, and then TK Maxx had a big line as well.
Yeah.
We were going to go in, but the line was just, more people kept going in, like adding to the line, so we're just like, we'll leave it. We've got exactly what we needed when we were going out, we've got the shorts that we wanted, so.
Yep, so now home, dinner,
and
sleep.
Sleep.
For another day. So, thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and hit the notification button. That's very important. Thank you for all the comments that we've been getting recently, especially on our cake vlog.
Yeah, thank you so much. It really means the world to us when we get some comments that you're enjoying it. There's a lot of good bits, so thank you.
And
TikTok.
Gotta go.
Gotta go Orlando, guys. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Bye. Hi guys, so if you definitely like this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget, Gotta Go Emma and Gotta Go Shane on Instagram. We're always posting, and see you real soon.